Why, hello, ladies.
Hello, how are we doing?
Doing
Hello.
awesome. What's up, Miss Skylar?
Amazing.
Hey, nothing. What's up?
Oh, just excited about today's topic.
And what is
Yay.
today's
Me
topic?
too. Me
You
too.
already forgot? That's terrible. That's terrible. You were part of organizing this thing and you've already forgotten? We're doing BOI reporting, right? We keep getting phone calls on
BOI reporting.
BOI, right?
Yes.
Have we finally figured out what BOI stands for?
Yes, we did.
Beneficial owner information report.
Informational.
Yeah, I like it. Look at us go. I'm telling you.
Yes.
People should hire us and give us money to do these things. Good.
Right.
We should start a business. So,
There's an idea.
so we keep getting a lot of questions about it. So we thought today would be a good opportunity for us to bring in our tax manager, Yuli,
Yes.
to give us some additional information on BOI reporting. I guess let's go ahead and we'll see if we can grab him and add him to the studio.
Hi, Uli.
Hi, Yuli. What's up, man?
Hello, everyone. What's up?
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Thank you. Excited to be here.
So,
Ready to
Uli,
nerd out for us a little bit?
yes.
Yeah.
What he said.
I didn't hear what he said. What did he say?
All right.
Nerd
Are
out
you
with
ready
us.
are you ready to nerd out a little bit for us here?
Yes.
Good.
Definitely.
Awesome.
Yes.
I know.
So Yuli, can you tell us? Oh, sorry, didn't mean to cut you off. Yuli, can you tell us what BOI reporting is and why it's so important right now?
Of course. So, as mentioned before, BOI stands for Beneficial Ownership Information. And so BOI reporting refers to the process of identifying and reporting essentially all the owners of your business. And it was part of a new federal regulation passed by the Corporate Transparency Act, or the CTA. And it's important because their main goal is to basically fight financial crime. So they want to stop financial crimes that include money laundering, tax evasion, and fraud. And so really that's why the BOI report is very important, because they want to reduce these crimes.
Very cool.
Okay. And so who exactly would need to be reporting this?
Most businesses that do that operate within the United States. So
I'm
that
not the only one that
includes-
hurt dogs, right?
No.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. Someone
right,
just
all-
rang the
All
doorbell.
part of
and
doing a
it went
podcast, Skylar.
crazy.
It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. It's all part of doing a podcast. We're good. We're good. Sorry, Yuli. These are the sorts of things that happen to us, buddy. So,
Totally understandable.
Dari, you were answering a question when we heard Fido.
Right. So, Noel, you were asking who needs to report the BOI?
Yes.
Yes. So most entities that are doing business in the U.S., so including LLCs, corporations, as well as foreign entities, need to report the BOI. However, there is an exemption to this report. So there's a list of 23 entities that are exempt from filing this BOI report. So some examples include tax-exempt organizations, banks, insurance companies, accounting firms, among others. So you could just go to the FinCEN website and they'll have the list of those 23 entities that are exempt from filing the BOI report.
Okay. Interesting.
Very
When do you need to
cool.
file by, Yuli?
So there are 3 deadlines, and it all depends on when your reporting company was formed. So if your company was formed before January 1st, 2024, your deadline to file this BOI report is January 1st, 2025. So they're giving you a full year to file this report if you were formed before 2024. If you were formed during 2024, your BOI report is due within 90 calendar days of formation. And lastly, if your company is formed after January 1st, 2025, you have 30 days to file the BOI report. So those
And
are your 3 deadlines.
What would happen if someone filed outside of their deadline, after their deadline?
So yeah,
Is
business
it
owners.
possible to still do that? Would you get a fine or
Yes,
face?
yes, but they're business owners should be aware of this. There are hefty penalties for late
Hmm.
filing or just not um, timely filing your report. So this can include daily fines up to $500 per day, as
Oh,
well as other criminal charges for simply not filing the BOI report and remaining compliant with that.
okay.
Mhm.
Interesting.
Yeah, yeah, we're talking about huge penalties here, so it's important that all business owners know that they need to file this on time and as accurate as they can.
What kind of
So do
information do you need, Yuli,
sorry.
to
Um,
file it?
so you need the company's name, address, taxpayer identification number, state of formation, and for the report you need to file the beneficial owner information. So this includes their full legal names, date of birth, current addresses, as well as an identifying number. So this could be a state issued driver's license number, ID, or passport number. So really, those are the requirements to when you report for the BOI.
Interesting. Cool.
Yes.
Is it a very complicated process?
To file?
Uh, it is. I would say not. It's not complicated. You just have to make sure that you're prepared. You have everything ready. Meaning, you got to determine if your company needs to file the BOI. That's the first thing you need to do. Then you need to identify all the beneficial owners. So the beneficial owners are essentially the ones that own at least 25% of
Hmm.
your company, or who just have significant control over your company. So those would be your beneficial owners. So identifying who they are. Once you identify those, just gather all your supporting information and the documentation that you need to provide. So the BOI report does require you to submit a copy of the beneficial owner's identification that they use. So if these driver's license, a passport, they do require an ID scan of that. So and just lastly, making sure that all business owners timely and accurately file these reports to ensure that their companies remain compliant and they avoid any of these potential penalties and other charges that they might face if they don't file the report.
Interesting.
Yes.
Exciting.
Mhm.
More
Thank you for that,
reporting.
Yuli.
What was that, Sky? I didn't hear that.
I said thank you for that, Yuli.
You're very welcome. Were there any other questions regarding
I don't know.
BOI?
I guess my only question would be, what role do accountants and advisors play in navigating with this BOI reporting? And just kind of, can you tell our viewers how we could help them out with this, Standard and Company?
Of course. So yeah, all owners, they can file this report on their behalves, but they can also hire third parties such as accountants and attorneys to handle the filing of the BOI report on their behalf. And so this is where like us as accountants can step in, make sure that all the information that is required on this report is accurate, it's up to date. That way we can avoid any future issues in terms of the BOI report, and making sure that your report is again timely filed to avoid any of these hefty penalties that
Penalties.
they're assessing. So that's where we would step in to make sure that we can handle this for you. We can make sure everything is accurate and is timely filed, and that your company remains compliant.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
Oh, cool. No.
No.
None from me.
I guess one last one. Is it something that people can do on their own?
Yes. Yeah, they can go to the Financial Crime Enforcement Network website, or the FinCEN for short. And so once you go on that website, right away there should be an option for BOI report. And so you can click on that, and they do a pretty good job of giving you instructions on how to self-file if business owners decide to just file that on their own. They could do that via that, and so yeah.
Awesome.
Mhm.
All right.
All very
Well, thanks,
good
buddy. We
information.
appreciate you.
Of course.
Yes.
Glad I could help.
Have a good one.
Bye,
Thanks,
Uli.
Uli.
Bye.
All right, ladies.
So BOI reporting.
We had our
We're
first
gonna-
nerd talk.
Yeah, we did.
There you have it.
I liked it.
You doing okay over there, Skylar? It looked like you had a little bit of a earthquake or something in
Earthquake?
northern Mississippi.
Yes, there was a small earthquake all of a sudden, but
Yeah. Weird
I
when
think
that
we're
happened.
safe now.
Cool.
I thought that was here. I thought I was tripping. I thought I was losing my mind a little bit.
Thank you all for tuning in. If y'all have any more questions on BOI reporting, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're more than happy to answer any questions or assist.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.